Alright guys and gals, let's go on to Dollar General here and see what kind of Hot Wheels they got. Do some Hot Wheel hunting here at the Dollar General. Ain't got much to choose from. Now we got a Fast and Furious. Now we'll get the Fast and Furious. Well, I did end up with the Fast and Furious 5-pack. And Matchbox Porsche 918 Spider. And I did get 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning. So, ended up with those three. Now we're going to check out another Family Dollar. See if they got any Hot Wheels. Wow, Super Treasure Hunt. Wow, I can't believe I found that. Fantastic. Alright guys and gals. First up, we went over to the Family Dollar. Where this beautiful 69 Chevy GT500 Super Treasure Hunt just almost literally jumped out off of the peg for us. You see in the video, it just really just jumped right out. Then we went to the Dollar General store. Saw this Fast and Furious set, so said might as well get it. Along with this Matchbox Porsche 918 Spider. And 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning. So, wasn't much there, but that right there made up for everything. Hope you enjoyed the little video, the little daily hunt. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racer, please. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys later.